Welcome back to the channel of facts that are hard to digest. Through this page, we aim to bring surprising, unknown, and unbelievable facts that exist, but not many are aware of, and hard to digest. In this video, we'll be talking about a few simple yoga exercises that any pregnant woman could perform to relieve stress, as yoga assists you to face the physical demands of labor, birth, and new parenthood. Being a woman that is pregnant is an exceptional feeling, but could be very stressful and nerve-wracking with COVID around. But we are here to help you and ease a little of your pressure by talking about the importance of yoga exercises and guide you throughout the video. Take some advice from your doctor about your pregnancy prior to beginning some form of yoga sessions. Be mindful to stay away from hot yoga, which includes doing active exercises vigorously in a hot room at hot temperatures. Pre-birth yoga, hatha yoga, and restorative yoga are the most ideal choices for pregnant ladies. Among these three, pre-birth yoga, also known as paternal yoga, gives 100% chances for a normal delivery if you follow them at least once a day. Pre-birth yoga is a versatile way to deal with the practices that draw in the mind, soul, as well as the body. Pre-birth yoga focuses on gentle stretching and strengthening, mental focusing, and creating more prominent attention to the way we breathe. Pre-birth yoga is an incredible way to stay active during pregnancy. It is both gentle and low impact while offering physical and mental advantages. Pre-birth yoga classes are famous, and when it is combined with a cardiovascular exercise like walking, treadmill, yoga can be an ideal path for mothers to remain fit as well as staying active. It also relieves the lower back pain and pregnancy symptoms evidently. Regardless of whether you're an amateur or a veteran, yoga can keep you prepared, tones your muscles, and also improves your balance and circulation during pregnancy, all of it with almost no effect on your joints. Do you want to find out about this type of pregnancy workout, which includes postures that are protected to do while pregnant, as well as knowing where to begin, how to begin your own pre-birth yoga practices? Follow these exercises as shown in the video. It is advisable to have someone with you while performing these exercises. Yoga shows you how to inhale deeply and consciously relax. Figuring out how to inhale completely is one of the principal things you will learn in yoga. To utilize the breathing strategy rehearsed in yoga known as Ujjayi, you take in the air gradually through your nose, fill your lungs as you grow your midsection, and breathe out totally through your nose until your stomach compresses. Please skip positions or any exercise that requires extreme stretching of the abdominal muscles. In an upright standing posture with your legs apart and your hands in a prayer position, use your right hand to touch your left heel with your left hand in the air. Repeat this exercise on the opposite side. In an upright position with both your hands on your belly under your chest, take deep breaths slowly in and out. Make sure to use a wedge or pillows to raise your upper body when you're lying down. Limit the time you're flat on your back up to only 1 minute. You could roll over onto your other side for 30 seconds between each exercise on your back. Make sure you don't hold poses for a very long time. Get into a low warrior position with your left foot in a 90 degrees to the ground and your right foot behind it with your hands on the sides of your belly. Let's get into a cat-cow stretch position. With your hands and knees on the ground, inhale and tilt your pelvis back for a cow pose. Then exhale and tuck your tailbone for a cat pose. You could also use a yoga ball to do some of these exercises. Please wear comfortable clothing that allows you to breathe while performing any exercise. Please skip through any exercise that brings you discomfort. I hoped you guys enjoyed these exercises. Thank you for watching. Learning Ujjayi breathing, it assists you with remaining quiet when you need it the most. At the point when you're in pain or afraid, your body produces adrenaline and may create less oxytocin, a hormone that makes labor progress. A normal regular yoga practice will help you fight the temptation to straighten out when you feel pain. By rehearsing relaxation in yoga, you'll get yourself better prepared to deal with distressing circumstances and stressful situations. Yoga lowers the risk for you and your child. As indicated by a survey of 10 examination contemplates, pre-birth yoga brings down your opportunities of having pregnancy complications. It was also shown that it lowers your pain, feelings of anxiety, and potentially even your danger of having a child who is young for his gestational age. So when performing these kind of exercises, please play it safely. Observe the guidelines of safe pregnancy exercises like drinking lots of water before, during, as well as after the exercises to remain well hydrated. Thank you all for watching this video. Stay safe and be well. If you would like to be mentioned for our next video, make sure you hit the subscription button. One lucky subscriber would be recognized, so stay tuned for the next video.